Yeah, so welcome back. So what's the problem right now? Well, if we do an edit here, and we do a delete, and we do a yes, please do delete, we get an error looking like this: MD toast not defined. I hope that you guys, during the last lesson and until you solve this one, actually figured it out yourself. Because this is what I talked about last lesson. If we use something in our controller, like the MD toast, and we actually do not dependency inject it or tell the controller that we need it, we will fail and things will explode like they just did. So I'll just save this for now and then we'll look at what I actually did. So now the MD toast is being injected. Now it can find it down here and it'll create a very simple toast right here. I'll show you in Angular material in a second. And this is how we create the toast, pretty much just like you created the confirm dialog. And then I say, please show the toast. Let's do a save and let's see if this actually runs now. There we go. I'll try and do the delete and I'll say, yes, please delete. And you'll actually see something popping up here, not showing quite as it should, but it's in there behind the scenes. We'll make it pop up in the front in a second. So what is this actually? Let's go on the toast on the Angular material and let's do a few. It should do something like this, or something like this, or something like this. But because we're not using the full Angular material setup right now, the nav bar is still using Bootstrap, there are some problems now with the set indexes. And we'll get back to that, but we'll do a hack this lesson just to move forward. So I want to show you, before we do that, I just want to show you the code here. Because where did I get the code that I just used? Well, if you open the toast and you look under JS, you'll actually see here how you can make different toasts. And this is actually what we did. We did a show, and then right in here he adds some information about what to show. Let's just do a simple one instead. So this is actually what I did. I did an MD toast show, and then I created a simple guy to pop up. And you can define a lot of different things in here. You can read the documentation yourself. But the important thing is they're using the MD toast inside the dependency injection right here. So don't forget that. And that was why we got the error. Back to our code here, and let's do the edit again. Let's just make this the last change I want to do. I'm going into app CSS because I want this to work for all toasts in the future, and then I only have one place to remove it when we're actually done making this code work. So let me just paste in some code here in the style sheet. MD toast set index of 10,000. That should put it on top of everything in our application. I'll save that. I'll go back to my code. My view. I'll do the edit right here again, and I'll do the delete and say yes, please delete. Hopefully it'll pop up now in the top actually saying the weak plan is deleted. It's still there. We'll fix that in the next lesson. I know that's kind of strange, but now you also know how to use the toast. So now you can both do a confirm dialog and an actual toast for your different applications. So see you next time.